In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and cared to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. 5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star reviews. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.